Hi guys, it's me Rove and welcome back to my channel again. So in this video, this is an unexpected vlog or whatever because Joyce just pushed me to make this content. Yeah. So hindi po talaga tayo prepared ngayon and yeah, hindi po talaga. So I just wanna show you some things na binili ko kanina in Pen Shop and in Watsons. So I'm not showing off, I'm just sharing like the hair clothes. So this is what I got from Watsons. I got a invigorating wet wipes. This is aloe vera scented. Yeah. And the next product I got is the Lux Organic Soothing Gel. Yeah, for my skin care or whatever. Nobody cares. Like. So the next is from Pen Shop. I bought a cologne in Pen Shop. So this is the Days Like This. Days Like This. So nakita ko lang po ito kay Kuya Arjan and subscribe to his channel. So maybe I just show you some clips of my vlog in Gaisano, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. So yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna pay.
Dupang.
So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So nandito kami ngayon sa Gaisano and I'm with these gals. So I'm spending the money from my Halawagan. Yeah.
So magde-decide po kami ng, alam ko na, alam niyo yung content ng mga professional vlogger na gina-order from yung nauna sa kanilang customer. Baka mahal yung bibilin.
We will do the letting the person in your front decide what you eat.
Oh yeah.
Hindi kuya ka man.
Ay, malay mo ano lang, juice. Tapos kung mahal, nasa ilotang. Kung mahal, nasa ilotang. Tapos kung barato lang, okay lang.
Pwede sa ano.
Sige na.
So okay, so game. Let's go. Okay, so I'll be back.
Okay na yan. Ariyo Laylam. Uy, dahil. Di pa nagkakaroon. Sirian, kung ma-order. Uy, ako customer, so siya na lang po yung mauuna. Titingnan po natin. Hindi ka lang tagal yun. Sige. Dili na lang. Dito po tayo. Uy, Anto! No-order ang mapagkain na. Ako baka ubusin niya yung lahat ng pizza.
Bacon sausage. So, in-order lang yung bacon sausage bonanza.
Tigaw na to sa amin.
Oo.
Isa pila tayo, 1, 2, 3, 4. Magkakaon ka man eh. 5. Oo eh.
Bayad muna.
Ari ah. Wait lang. Gusto na mo?
Amo na.
Sige, amo na. Ma-order na po kami at the moment. So yun po. Buti na lang po, ito na lang po. Affordable po yung order po. So ayan. Yung order po namin is bacon sausage bonanza from Santino.
This is not sponsored. Baka naman, Santino.
Baka naman. Ayun na. Thank you so much.
Ano to? We got our food from Santino's and yeah. So wala na po drinks dahil let's try the food. If masarap or not. Guys, so nakalabas na po kami ng Gaisano dahil uuwi na po kami.
Yes!
And,
Maulan po! Yeah! Maulan, kaya po kami nagsabi.
So hindi pa ako nagpapayong dahil nakakatamad.
Dahil pila po yung ulan.
Yeah. The rain is
Trivia from Joyce.
Joyce.
Ano po, yung rain po is hindi po masasabi talagang natural or galing o ano pang process. Pero dahil acid rain na po yung tawag din kasi po, nagkalat na po yung iba-ibang
Chemicals.
Yeah, chemicals like in factory.
Yeah, in our environment.
Yeah, so yun, a little trivia. Uy, may fun.
So rain is not healthy at all.
Yes,
Yeah.
so kailangan mo talagang magpayong, bitch.
Okay guys, that's for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment your thoughts down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click that subscribe, yeah, that subscribe bitch. Click that. Thank you, bye. See you again.